And we're back. Yep, we're back. So, hey guys. Today I got some very special guests with me. Pipsqueak, Scooter, and Pooter. And we also have Jax. Say hi, Jax. Hi. Jax. You got wiggly. Come on, stay calm, Jax. How are you guys doing today? Good. How old are you guys? I'm 7. I'm 7 too. I'm 12. And I'm asking, how is Jax? He is 4 years old. He's going to be 5 in November. So, gotta say bye, Jax. Bye. Alright, so what did you guys do over the break? So Pipsqueak, let's talk about what you did. So what did you do, Pipsqueak? I was, playing, I was playing, trying to think of what game I was playing. I was playing a Fredbot game on my Fred Start. Cool. What else did you do? Trying to think. I probably been sleeping a lot. You've been sleeping a lot, Pipsqueak, I know. So what else have you been doing, Pipsqueak? I was following art tutorials. Wow, awesome. And that's all I did. Alright, so let's move on to Pooter. So Pooter, what did you do over the break? Actually, I was watching Cheery Tunes, and so was Scooter. Yeah, you guys were watching Cheery Tunes? Well, what was your favorite video you liked? I liked the one with the dog. Ooh, that's pretty cool. There's a dog in Fredbot the movie. Do you think we should draw him soon? Yeah. Do you think so, Pipsqueak, we should draw a bingo from Fredbot the movie? Yeah. All right. So I want to, guys, know what your favorites are. All right. So Pooter, what's your favorite food? I like, trying to think. I like pizza. What? Are you kidding me, Pooter? Yeah. So, what's your favorite thing to drink? My favorite thing to drink is orange juice. Wow, your favorite thing to drink is orange juice. What about you, Scooter? I like drinking apple juice and eating fish bites. Fish bites are good. They're good. So what's your favorite food, Pipsqueak? I like to eat chicken nuggets. Ooh, I love those. I like to eat, trying to think of something else I like to eat. I like to eat apples in the summertime. And what do you like to drink? I like to drink groovy smoothies. What? I didn't know you like to drink groovy smoothies. All right, so let's now move on to favorite movies. So, Pooter and Scooter, what's your favorite movie? We like Cheery Tunes the movie. Wow. You like that movie? Pipsqueak, what's your favorite movie? I like Here Come the Rubbadubbers. Whoa, that's a good movie too. So, Pooter and Scooter, do you have any other favorite movies? So think about, is it from the 70s period of time, the 80s, the 90s, the 2000s, the 2010s? So, we like, the Talking Words Factory, YouTube Poop. Oh, that's a 2000s movie. So, if anybody of us watching, if they grew up near the 2000s, they would know the Talking Words Factory. So, do you know what kind of movie that was? It was, basically, do you know what it was? Leapfrog. Yeah! Alright, so, what are we doing today? Alright, so, what do we have right here? Do you remember, Pooter? We have a ladybug. Oh yeah, we have a ladybug. And what are we going to do? Scooter, do you know what we're going to do with this ladybug? We're going to make a ladybug out of primary colors. Yeah, good job, Scooter. So let me tell Pipsqueak this real quick. Then we can get started. Okay, so Pipsqueak, does this art project make you think of one of your Fredbot toys that says Rainy? Your Fredbot toys that teaches you and helps you with your imaginations? Yeah? Which one? The weather one. Wow, pretty cool. So, where is it at? It's in my room. All right. So, now let's get started. So, what the kids at home are gonna need? They're gonna need some construction paper. We already got all our parts cut out. You need construction paper. You need red, yellow, and blue. So those are the primary colors. And you're also going to need a glue stick. Are you guys ready to get started? Yeah! Alright, so let's move everything off to the side. Since I don't let Scooter and Pooter use glue because it's messy. I know you told us that. Alright, so we got all our parts cut out. We're going to move everything off to the side. Except for our blue. So what we're going to do here is we're going to glue the wing on here. So let's open the glue stick. Remember, this glue is messy, so I just have to do it for you. Okay, but I do trust you with glue, but so, alright, so glue it down. We're going to try to keep this quick. So we have the right before 15 minutes. Alright, so let's glue it down. Right. Let's see if it's... Alright, so let's glue it down. So, we're going to glue. Right, gotta hammer it down. Right, gotta glue it. Alright, got a little part. We're gonna make sure it's securely on there. Alright. There's our first wing, Pipsqueak. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Maybe I should spread it out a little bit. Be cooler? Yeah. Alright, so... Alright, so... Let's, Alright, so let's grab our second wing and we're going to glue it down. So we're going to glue it down and we're going to glue it. All right. Right. Get it glued. All right, so we gotta glue it down like that. All right, here we go. We're gonna glue it down right here. Wow, doesn't that look pretty cool? Yeah. All right, so next step, we're gonna put the antennas on. So, Pipsqueak, did you know that I was a ladybug in my second grade program? I didn't know that. I was 7 by that time. You were? So, you remember that program? Yeah, you sure do. All right, we're gluing down the antennas. All right, I'm gonna get this last antenna on. All right. See if we can get it glued down so good. All right. What do you think about that? Pretty cool. All right. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. Would you guys like to do an activity like this sometime? But different? Yeah. Awesome. So, we hope you had a lot of fun making your ladybug out of primary colors. And we'll see you later. Goodbye. Oh, Pipsqueak, you're just crazy. I can't stop. Oh, Pooter, you're cracking up about Pipsqueak's Fredbot toy. Yeah. And he's cracking up, Scooter. Yeah. All right. Goodbye, everyone.